Have you ever played a game that is so good that you just have to upload it on YouTube? Well, let me tell you, this is not that game. But we're gonna play it anyway. This game is called Tricky Truck. It's about having a tricky truck. I know you're dying to see me play more, so let's do this. Here we go. What the fuck is this shit? What is this shit? How is this a level? Are you fucking kidding me? Ah! What's with the camera angles? Ah! Alright, well that was really fun. Let's try another level, shall we? Hot Wheels. Oh my fucking god. Are you shitting me? Alright, we can do this. We can do this. Come on, bros. 100%! No! Damn it! Alright. Don't worry, bros. We got this. I parked many cars in my days. Here we go! Woo! Yeah! No, I'm fine, I can do it. I can still do it. I can still do it, Captain. Life is about living. Woo! Oh, shit! Jerry was driving that truck. Jerry! It's okay. Oh man, you should have seen the look on your face. Hey, look at that! Still going strong. Never mind. Come on, Jerry, don't be a little bitch. Jerry always told me, don't be a little bitch. Fucking hell, Jerry, you suck so much. This is my chance. Now's my chance. Fuck's sake, what is this truck made out of? Oh god, oh god, oh god. How is this even possible? Come on, go. I'm gonna change the truck. We're doing this one. There we go. Go, Jerry. Jerry is a tennis ball, of course. Fuck's sake, Jerry, you piece of shit. Jerry's such a little cunt. Oh my god, what are you doing? This thing steers like a motherfucker from hell. And I fucked a lot of bitches from there. Okay, let's try this one. It doesn't even go straight! Come on, bitches! Bitches! Fuck! What? Yes! No! The hell is up in this car, man? Let's change car again. There we go. Now this is how we truck in Sweden, motherfuckers. We don't truck in Sweden, motherfuckers. Fucking hell, the map broke. Oh god. If there's a will, there is a way. And I definitely don't want to. Damn it. I swore to my parents that I would complete this piece of shit. Yes! Yes! Yeah! In hit camp. This truck is filled with double-headed dildos for the lesbian club. We gotta hurry there in time. I don't know why I said it like, god fucking damn it! I hate my job. There we go. There we go. Yes! Yes! I'm a truck driver. I'm a truck driver. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. We're alive. I repeat, we're alive. Tricky truck. Tricky truck. Park that bitch. Fuck's sake. Woo! The fuck is going on there? You shooting at me? Fucking hell. Nothing. Nothing is gonna stop me from delivering. Okay, maybe that. Mission impossible. Great. What the fuck? Alright, we need some more speed. Here we go. What the shit? I never appreciated how hard it is to be a truck. Especially if you're a little... Fucking hell! Fuck! Fuck! There we go. Fuck all y'all bitches! Fuck! So close! I don't care. I'm gonna keep going. Or not. This is for my homeland. This is for Sweden. This is for my homeland. This is for Sweden. But most importantly, fucking assholes. Fuck you. This is for Sweden. This is for IKEA. This is for God fucking mother dick in the ass. For meatball. Fuck. Meatball. 100%. Oh my god. 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 Look at that face. No! Bernie the beer. Alright, what the fuck is this shit? Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Reverse that shit. Help. Help. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Help. Help. Reverse. Reverse. Help. No. Ah! What am I doing? Please. I don't want to die. Ah! Ah! Someone please. Talk about a cliffhanger, Jesus Christ. Oh god. Oh no. Oh, here we go, Briss! Maximum speed! Oh god. What is hard like? What is hard like? Oh god. Are you fucking kidding me? Alright. Matthew McConaughey is a truck driver. Fucking hell. Okay, alright. Matthew, if you could just... Holy shit! I'm a boss! Look at this shit! Stay focused. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god, we gotta make it to the top! What the hell was that? What the... Come on, man! You can't do that shit on me! Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, drop a like, that helps the channel out, and leave a comment about Matthew McConaughey and how much you want to make out with him. But I mean, that's all for me for now. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, stay awesome, bros.
You're becoming more like your father.
Alright. Uh-oh. Where are we, Mom? Uh-oh. Okay, we're good. Stabilize.